Welcome back to our series on how prospective Ivy Leaguers can succeed in strengthening their Ivy League applications with online courses. Due to popular demand from our viewers, in today's episode, we'll explore some unique online course ideas and discuss why colleges value independent learning. If you missed our videos on the hows and whats of how admission officers evaluate online courses on college applications, visit Apex Ivy's YouTube channel after this episode to begin using insider tips and strategies in your favor. Now, since we're on a mission today, let's dive in. Segment 1, Unique Online Course Ideas. Are you looking for online courses that go beyond the ordinary? Well, we've got you covered today. Here are some unique online course ideas that can pique your interest and help you stand out. Number 1 is Creative Writing Workshop. Unleashing your inner wordsmith and learning how to craft captivating stories with a creative writing workshop can make this summer the start of your writing career. It can also give admission officers the evidence they need to pay closer attention and detail to your future college application essay. Number 2, Digital marketing. Master the art of online marketing and discover the secrets of social media marketing, email campaigns, and search engine optimization. This can be the start of your new career in business as an entrepreneur or a segue into a college major that can be applied to marketing. Number 3 is Introduction to Coding. Dive into the world of coding and unlock the fundamentals of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or Python to build your career or to build your own websites and applications. Or if you're advanced enough to be interested in databases, PHP or SQL, anyone? Now, the possibilities are endless, but waiting around and not beginning your coding journey won't lead admission officers to see you as a go-getter applicant. Number 4, mindfulness and meditation. Find inner peace and boost your focus with an online course that teaches mindfulness and meditation techniques. I know it may shock some of you, but admission officers actually really do care about things like emotional wellness. Emotionally strong people may not all become our most respected leaders, but all of our most respected leaders, whether in business, politics, or academia, are emotionally strong. Show them that you're cut from the same fabric. I can go on and do this entire episode just listing the unique online courses you may take to boost your applicant profile, but let's actually grab at the heart of it all. Yes, these are just a few examples of the exciting online courses available, and I will provide more examples of unique courses in our next episode. But for now, please know that the possibilities are endless and you can find a course tailored to your interests and aspirations if you search hard enough. So let's shift our focus to why colleges consider independent learning to be so important. Have you ever wondered why colleges value students who take the initiative to pursue online courses? Here are a few reasons. Number 1, demonstrated personal and self-motivation. By taking an online course, you showcase your ability to take charge of your education and motivate yourself to learn independently. Number 2, readiness for college-level coursework. Online courses often mirror the rigor and expectations of college-level classes, demonstrating your preparedness for the academic challenges that lie ahead. Number 3 is flexibility and adaptability. Online courses require self-direction and effective time management, skills that are critical for success in college and beyond. Now that we've done a brief overview of some of the points covered in my other episodes on using online courses to boost your Ivy Leaguer profile and application, let's fortify the idea of the importance of independent learning by hearing the direct words of Ivy League schools themselves about their perspective on this topic. It is critical that you understand that Ivy League schools have long recognized the value of independent learning. So it's no surprise that Harvard said, at Harvard, students take charge of their own education, developing critical thinking and lifelong learning skills. It's not just about applying knowledge at Harvard. Harvard wants students whose second nature is to always be curious, always learning, and always thinking critically. At Yale, the university actively encourages independent thinking and active engagement with the world, fostering a culture of intellectual curiosity. Yale likes curiosity too, but it's also about engaging with the world and making the world better with what one has learned. At Princeton's academic program empowers students to explore their interests through independent work and research. Princeton likes students who bite the tail of one question and answer it with another question and go on a quest to find the next answer. Rather than just go on and on with more ideas, thoughts, etc., and information, I want you to think about all that we've covered today. Of course, there are so many factors to consider when it comes to admissions, but thinking about just independent learning. Are you best suited for Harvard, Yale, or Princeton? What is your type? What unique course topics interest you? And what will you demonstrate with your decision to take a specific online course? Or what are you deciding on doing in place of an online course instead? Well, that's it for today's episode. We've explored unique course ideas and discussed why colleges place such importance on independent learning. Remember, taking the initiative to pursue online courses can set you apart and demonstrate your readiness for the Ivy League journey. Also remember, finding an independent college consultant like Apex Ivy to work with you can boost and change your Ivy League application profile. Meanwhile, stay tuned for the next episode where we'll dive deeper into strategies for leveraging online courses in your college applications. Until then, keep exploring and keep expanding your knowledge.